Layers are an essential part of almost every drawing, and managing them can consume a considerable amount of time. There's got to be a better way to manage them that doesn't interrupt your workflow. Well, with AutoCAD 2010, there is. Let's take a look. Let's see the difference in changing layer colors. In previous versions of AutoCAD, changing a layer color is a multi-step process, requiring you to access the Layer Properties Manager. Poor visual cues in the color editor can make it difficult for you to select the correct color on the first try. In AutoCAD 2010, you can change the layer color directly from the Layer drop-down list and select the right color with more confidence. These are just some of the ways layer management has been enhanced so that you can do more and do it faster with the all-new AutoCAD. You've got to see the difference.